In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download all files from Google Drive at once. This process can be incredibly useful if you're moving files to another storage service or simply backing up your important data. We'll walk through the steps together, ensuring you don't miss anything essential. Let's dive in. To start, you'll need to open Google Drive on your web browser. You can do this by navigating to drive.google.com and logging into your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're there, you'll notice a list of all your files and folders. It's a good idea to organize these files into a single folder for easier downloading. Simply create a new folder by clicking New, followed by Folder, then drag and drop your files into this new folder. This step is optional, but can simplify the process. Now, with your files organized, select the folder or files you wish to download. You can click on the folder directly or hold down the Control key on Windows or Command key on Mac to select multiple files. Once all desired files are selected, right-click on the highlighted area. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Download option. Google Drive will now start preparing your files for download. Depending on the amount and size of your files, this step might take some time, so patience is key here. Google will zip your files, creating a single compressed file that makes downloading large quantities more manageable. You'll see a progress indicator on your screen to let you know how far along the process is. Once the zipping is complete, the download will begin automatically. Your browser will ask where to save the zipped file if you haven't set a default download location. Choose a location that you'll remember, like your desktop or downloads folder, and confirm the download. After the download is complete, locate the zipped file on your computer. You'll need to extract its contents to access your individual files. On most systems, you can do this by right-clicking the zipped file and selecting Extract All or Unzip. Follow the prompts to choose a destination for your extracted files and click Extract to complete the process. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and extracted all files from Google Drive. This method ensures you have all your important files securely backed up or ready to transfer. Remember, regularly backing up your data is crucial, and now you know exactly how to do it from Google Drive. If you benefited from this guide, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.